cannot believe I'm being rewarded for doing a job that I absolutely love. It's such a privilege to work with the young people of Wales, to see them make progress and to give them the opportunities that only education can give them. I cannot accept this without thanking everyone at Cwm Primary School. My head, Rhian Astley, everyone there is a team, from the teaching support, the teachers, the dinner ladies, the kitchen staff, even Nigel, our caretaker. We are there as a community. I would like to thank everyone who nominated me and supported my nomination, friends of the school, governors, parents, but most importantly, the children. A teacher made a difference in my life, which is why I'm here. I hope some of the children in my care will look back and think I made a difference in their lives. Thank you.